What if I told you that GPT-5 might be the smartest trading tool ever created, and at the same time one of the riskiest? In 2025, everyone is talking about using artificial intelligence for trading strategies. Some claim GPT-5 can outperform professional traders, while others warn that it could wipe out your account if you trust it blindly. In this video, we go to uncover the truth about GPT-5 and trading strategies. We'll talk about what GPT-5 can actually do, where it can give you an edge, and the risks that most beginners overlook, and the real strategies you can test today. And stay with me until the end, because I'll share a unique way you can combine GPT-5 with market sentiment that might change the way you trade forever. Welcome to TechMoneyAI, where we help you invest better with the power of AI. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss weekly insights on AI trading bots, investing strategies, and how to make smarter decisions with technology. The hype versus reality of GPT-5 in trading. GPT-5 is being called a revolution in natural language understanding and reasoning. But here's the truth. GPT-5 was not built specifically for trading. It's a general-purpose AI model that excels at analyzing large amounts of text, generating predictions, and even simulating reasoning. That means GPT-5 can be useful for parts of your trading strategy like summarizing financial news in seconds, spotting patterns in historical text data, generating simple buy, sell signals from sentiment or reports, helping you backtest strategy ideas quickly. However, and this is crucial, GPT-5 does not see the future. It doesn't predict with certainty. It recognizes patterns and probabilities. If you treat it like a crystal ball, you're going to be disappointed. How traders are using GPT-5 in 2025. Let's look at real applications. Right now, traders are experimenting with GPT-5 in three main ways. 1. Signal generation. They feed GPT-5 streams of financial news, Reddit posts, or crypto Twitter data. Then they ask GPT-5, based on sentiment, is Bitcoin bullish or bearish? GPT-5 can output a simple trading signal. 2. Strategy testing. Traders use GPT-5 to describe and generate code for backtesting. For example, you can ask it, write me a Python script to backtest a moving average crossover strategy on Ethereum. 3. Portfolio insights. Some traders ask GPT-5 to recommend allocations based on risk tolerance. It's not perfect, but it helps beginners think through diversification. Each of these has value, but none of them replace discipline, risk management, or actual market knowledge. The risks nobody talks about. Now, here's the part most YouTube videos skip: the dangers of using GPT-5 in trading. Hallucination risk. GPT-5 can make things up. It might tell you a market trend exists when it doesn't. Overfitting. GPT-5 can generate strategies that look amazing on past data but fail in live markets. Delay in real-time data. GPT-5 isn't connected to live tick-by-tick market feeds by default. That means signals may lag. Emotional trust. Many beginners think AI is always right. That mindset leads to reckless trading sizes. The truth? GPT-5 is a powerful assistant, not a flawless oracle. Where GPT-5 really shines. With all those risks in mind, where does GPT-5 actually shine in trading strategies? 1. Filtering information. The average trader can't read 200 articles a day. GPT-5 can. It can summarize and give you the sentiment in seconds. 2. Speed in strategy development. Instead of spending weeks learning to code, you can ask GPT-5 to draft scripts, backtests, or even optimize parameters. 3. Combining human plus AI. The best results happen when you use GPT-5 as a research partner, not as the final decision maker. Example: beginner-friendly strategy. Here's one way a beginner might combine GPT-5 with a simple trading strategy. Use GPT-5 to analyze daily crypto or stock news. If sentiment is positive, your bot opens small long positions with a stop loss. If sentiment is negative, your bot stays out or opens shorts in demo mode. You test this over weeks and compare it to just following technical indicators. It's simple, but it gives you practice combining AI with market structure. Now, before we go further, if you're serious about learning how to use AI safely in trading, I created something just for you. It's called the AI Trading Starter Toolkit, and it's available now for just $9.99 at TechMoneyAI.com. Inside, you'll learn the 5 rookie mistakes that destroy AI trading profits and how to avoid them, plus frameworks you can use to start with confidence. This toolkit has already helped beginners save time and money by giving them a clear roadmap. If you want to get ahead of the curve, check it out now. Link is in the description. The special tip: sentiment analysis plus GPT-5. As promised, let me share one of the most underrated ways to use GPT-5 in trading strategies. Instead of only analyzing charts, connect GPT-5 to sentiment data. Platforms like StockTwits, Lunar Crush, or even Twitter APIs give you real-time signals of how traders are feeling. GPT-5 can process that text at scale and tell you: is the crowd extremely bullish? Is panic starting to spread? Is sentiment neutral but trending positive? This layer of context often gives you an edge, because markets don't just move on logic, they move on emotion. The truth you need to remember. So what's the truth about GPT-5 trading strategies in 2025? The truth is, GPT-5 is a powerful assistant, but it's not a magic money machine. It can help you cut through noise, test ideas faster, and give you insights you'd never have time to gather on your own. But it also comes with risks if you expect it to trade for you without supervision. The winners in 2025 won't be the people who blindly trust AI. They'll be the people who learn how to combine AI with discipline, risk management, and clear strategies. Conclusion: so here's your next step. Try GPT-5 in a demo trading environment. Test a simple strategy, learn from it, and see how it fits with your style. If you want more step-by-step guides, subscribe to TechMoneyAI, because we're breaking down the tools, strategies, and risks every week. And don't forget to visit TechMoneyAI.com to grab your AI Trading Starter Toolkit for just $9.99. It's the fastest way to avoid mistakes and start using AI in your trading with confidence. This is TechMoneyAI, where we help you invest better with the power of AI.